Nossa, né? Mas tudo bem, galera. O negócio é o seguinte, sabe? Um dia a gente cansa de verdade, entendeu? Eu achei que eu tivesse cansado já por 2 vezes. Mas não cansei. Mas esse dia vai chegar. Can we start? I've got to start it. Is it bright enough? Alright, let's go!
Draw your own little doggy. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get a black pen. Just do a very simple shape like this. Do your ears. Do your eyes like that. Oh, cute little eyes. Nose. Scribble, scribble, scribble. That's his mouth. Little wagging tongue. And there's his chin. Oh, sweet.
Big picture! Wait, what? Doggies on martinis? Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Boy, do I look charming. I would look so weird if I were, like, all brunette. All black.
Ah, that's our little doggy. Let's give him some fur. Right. Nice big, thick brown pen. And just go scribble, 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 scribble. Scribble, 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 scribble. Like that. Oh, yeah. A bit more down here. Actually, a bit more down here. You like some? There. A bit more down there like that. All down here. There. Oh,
Yeah! It's so adorable! Big picture! It's looking like mustard and ketchup. Like his big picture fur.
Small picture, right. Got all our colours. Let's see my doggy. One more colour. How about yellow?
Yellow.
Yeah, just put the pen on the paper very carefully and go. Ah! There, finished.
Big picture! Oh, that's so cute. Big picture. That's super cute. I loved it.